Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the header row and turning on Filter so Excel knows the field boundaries. Once done, identify the column you want to search and decide whether you need exact matches, partial text, or multiple distinct values. This choice shapes the method you use. Now click the Filter drop-down, and don't use the basic checkboxes yet. You'll switch to text filters or use the search box depending on complexity. Make sure to note if your data is formatted as text or numbers, because that affects comparisons. Next, apply the specific filter approach. For few partial terms, use text filters contains and chain with or to include multiple strings. If you need many discrete values, create a helper column with a countif list lookup or an or/search formula that returns true for matches, then filter that helper column. In Excel 365, you can also use a dynamic filter formula combining isNumber, search, or match to build results directly. These steps let you scale beyond the drop-down's limited checkboxes. Finally, apply the filter and scan results for expected rows. If you see missing entries, make sure data types match and trim spaces with trim or clean to remove hidden characters. If formulas returned wrong matches, validate your lookup list and adjust wildcards or anchors. For numbers, ensure no stored as text issues. Once satisfied, copy filtered rows or use clear filter to restore the full set, then delete or hide the helper column. If problems persist, recheck range references and recalculation mode to ensure formula.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.